Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. So guys, we are at day number 11 of 30 days one funnel away challenge. And if you have not watched the earlier videos, please go and watch them to understand this day in a better way. And if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to it and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive upcoming updates about the videos. So without any delay, let's get started and jump into the slides. So in day number 11, you will learn how you can create the membership area. Okay. So before going ahead, I just want to say congratulations to all of you. You guys are awesome and you guys are real action takers. This is the result of your actions that you are at day number 11. You are far better than many people who even did not bother about their future, who are living in their comfort zone. You are awesome because you have taken the step to build your business online. So now talk about one funnel away challenge. If we talk about OFA challenge, do not think like this OFA challenge is just about making money. It's not about making money. It's about making the transformation. It's about the transformation. This one funnel away challenge will transform you from your older version to the new version. And this new version will have a lot of knowledge, lot of experience, lot of skills, a lot of hands-on, lot of ideas that he can implement in his business. He is ready to explore the online space and he is ready to grow his business manifold. So guys, do not think about money because money is just a byproduct. You must have heard many times people saying that he is rich. This is the reason he is successful. But this is not true. It is just other way. This is other way around. People become successful and then as a byproduct, they get money and they become rich. So just change the mentality. Do not think about money. Think about your transformation. Think about being successful and money will definitely come after you are successful. So now we talk about the journey of a hero. In movies, you must have seen there is a normal person, and he is a hero. He just decided something to achieve, and he achieved it at the climax, and he become a hero, right? So the end result is not very much important, but the journey of becoming a hero is very important because in that journey, step by step, you are learning something. You are going closer to your goal. You are becoming a new version of yourself every day. So guys, destination is not that much important, but the journey is very important. You should enjoy the journey. You should learn a lot from this journey. Now we'll talk about the entrepreneur's mindset. So entrepreneur think every problem as an opportunity. There are many people who just know about the problem, but they do not want to do anything about that problem, and they think like someone will come and they will resolve the problem, or he or she will resolve the problem. Why I should bother? Why should I bother? But you think about any big business, just talk about Amazon, what they were doing at initial stages. They were selling the books online, right? And at very early stage, they guess that people are not comfortable in buying other things. They don't have time. They don't get the variety at one store. They don't have even they have issue of transportation. There are many issues in the traditional way of shopping, right? And this is and these were the problems. And the founder of Amazon, he just thought about these problems and he just came up with a solution. And that solution you can see now, he is the richest person in the world because he solved the biggest problem of the world. So if you are solving any problem in the market, your business will definitely grow and you will be successful. And as a result, you will be rich. You can take any example. You can take example of Ola, Uber. There were no existence of Uber or Ola in the industry, but problems were still there. There are many people who must have thought about the problem, but they did not take the action. So the people who will take action, who will try to solve the problem, will become successful, and as a result of success, they will have a lot of money. So again, we'll talk about the business. And as I said, business is not about making money, but it's about taking responsibility. It's about taking responsibility of the people, of the audience you have been called to serve. You should think about your audience, what problem they are facing, and what you can do to resolve those problems. Once you think from their perspective and once you focus on the solution, not the money, and once you get the solution, once you are successful, you will definitely get a money. But do not think about money at initial stages. Think about the solution of the problem which you can provide to your customers. So guys, with this, we will go ahead with the membership area. So this is the membership area. It looks like this in ClickFunnels software. So you can see different sections here. Section one will be flagship framework, which we have already created. So you remember flagship framework. What is a flagship framework? So it is one of the frameworks out of all the available frameworks, and that one frameworks on which you have expertise, you will select as a flagship framework, and you will have other frameworks as an offer. So in this section, you will have that flagship framework. And in section number 2, we have created one order form bump. In yesterday's video, you will put that here. So like that, we will have different areas like O2, OTO, OTO1, OTO2, which we will learn in later days. But for now, for today, what you need to do, you need to create your flagship framework. You must have that video yourself, which you can put here. You can put your one pager here. So this is what you need to do at day number 11. And so this is all about day number 11. So guys, as I said, whatever I am explaining to you, it is just a part of the actual training which you will receive under 1 funnel away challenge. And you will get 30 days access for the Facebook group. You will get access to a lot of resources by which you can make your own sales funnel at the end of 30 days. So guys, if you have not joined 1 funnel away challenge yet, please go and join that challenge using my affiliate link provided in the description, and you will get exciting bonuses from my end. So this is about day number 11. I'll meet you at day number 12. Till then, take care. Bye bye.